Welcome to our tutorial on how to pin an announcement group in a WhatsApp community. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping important information easily accessible to all community members. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the current features. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a new tab called Communities. This is where all your WhatsApp communities are located. Tap on this tab to proceed. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Find the specific community where you want to pin the announcement group and tap on it to open. Remember, you need to be an admin of the community to perform this action. Inside the community, you'll see the announcement group at the top. This is the group where admins can share important updates with all community members. To pin this group, simply long press on the announcement group. This action will bring up a menu of options. Among these options, you should see Pin Chat. Tap on this option. Voila! You've successfully pinned the announcement group. It will now appear at the top of your chat list within the community, making it easily accessible for you and other members. By pinning the announcement group, you ensure that important community-wide information is always just a tap away. This is particularly helpful for larger communities where regular updates are crucial. Remember, pinning the announcement group doesn't change its functionality. Only admins can still post in this group, but now it's more visible to all members. That's all there is to it. Pinning your announcement group is a simple yet effective way to improve communication within your WhatsApp community. Try it out and see how it streamlines information sharing in your community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips.